The first train leaving Onpassive station to marvelous things happening will leave at midnight Wednesday. For all who are going to be on that first train, there is going to be a lot of joy. It will be a celebration train. Beyond that, you don't want to miss that 12 midnight train to Dreamland. Some will not be able to, so they will be on the second train. Those paying with crypto by special circumstances, not of their own making, will also be on that first train. Those can pay now but want to wait to see if commissions are paid out. You might want to read what was revealed to us today. The second train will not reach its destination until those on the first train meet their destination, and that destination is commissions and bonuses. Notice the announcement that was made by Mr. Mufara from Chris Johnson today on the 360 Live. Special announcements, Ash Mufare called Chris and conveyed the following for him to announce to us. Connect pricing, a special $93 offer for credit card payments is ending tonight at midnight EST. The crypto option will remain available for a bit longer. Bulk payments process. Starting today, 100 people will receive payments. Please check your emails, your founder's alternate email, and/or your O-mail to participate in a verification process by the merchant processor. By Monday, the process will scale up with tens of millions being paid out, including bonuses. Note: CEO Mufare was unable to attend due to important meetings. That, my friends, is a bomb. But that isn't the A-bomb. What is bigger than what we heard today? Stay tuned and plugged in.